Hello friends, in this video, I will explain how you can manifest anything you want. Now let's jump in various sections. First of all, can you even manifest anything you want? The answer is yes. You could manifest and be anything you want to be, anything you want. Now, before I go into how to do that, let me talk about two fundamental principles you got to understand before we go into the techniques. The two things are, first of all, the universe, you are the creator. People don't think that way. People think the universe happens in front of me, something different. I'm just a side note, or I'm just kind of going around with events happening around me. So the first principle is that you are the creator. You create your own reality consciously or unconsciously. The world is not random. Events are not random. You are manifesting it based on your state, maybe how you were or what your thoughts were last week or last month is impacting today, what you see now. So first message is that foundation is that you create the reality, and yes, you can manifest anything you want, and the world is not random. The second principle is how the world or the universe, how the reality works is the reality, the universe mirrors your state. Whoever you are, your state is getting mirrored or reflected. The universe doesn't have a mind on its own per se. It just takes who you are, reflects back to you all your thoughts, feeling, emotions. Now, what is the state? What does it reflect, right? It reflects your state of being. The world reality is nothing but your state of being reflected back to you over some time lag. That's a key thing here. The world is a mirror with a time lag. It doesn't reflect immediately. Whatever you are will be the events tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year. And so what you're seeing now is what you were yesterday or last month or a couple of weeks ago. That's what you're seeing now. So the world is a mirror of your state of being with a time lag. Now, what is the state of being? State of being is same as your thoughts, words, and actions. And let me explain that to your state of being. For example, okay, here is your state of being. And I'm talking about here and your thoughts, words, and actions. And that's what we know all the time. They are driven by the belief system that drives your thoughts, words, and actions. And then your feelings are the final thing. All these four impact your feelings, emotions, and vibrations. And these five things, thoughts, words, actions, the foundation beliefs, and all of them impacting feelings and emotions, vibration, that make your state of being. Your state of being is the one that's getting reflected back from the universe. The universe doesn't understand your words. It understands your vibration, understands your feelings, emotions, your frequency and vibration. Feeling and emotions really in turn define your vibration and frequency. So understand these two. In summary, you create the world is not random, and then the universe is reflecting back your state of being. And state of being is thoughts, words, and actions, and the foundation beliefs that goes with it. Finally, your feelings and emotions, all five put together is your state of being. That's what gets reflected back to you from the reality universe with a time lag. Now, that being said, that's the foundation here. I told you there are two foundation steps. I explained that to you. Now let's jump into how you can manifest. How you can manifest anything you want in your life. There are two things you're going to do fundamentally. The first thing is match the state of being. Be the person that already has it, right? You are here, worried, lacking, not having it, that's the state you are, let's say, in this side, left side. Now, when you have everything that wish you're looking for, you will move on to this side, right side. Let's just say you are the person that dreaming about that already has the money, has the relationship, has the career. Now, how will that be in thoughts, words, and actions? So you have to match. You got to go from here, where you are now, to all the way here and be that. So you have to be that person yourself, the future you, but you got to do that today instead of, okay, I'll be that way a year from now, 3 months from now when you have the money. No, The universe is reflecting you now. So if you want that thing, what you want, desire, be that now, live that thing now, see it, feel it, be it, behave that person like you who already has it. It's the same as Neville talks about, have the feeling of wish fulfilled. And they're all the same thing. Be that person, behave as the person, have that wishes fulfilled, have the desire, be in a state the desire is already here, fulfilled. All these are the same thing in different words. You have to go from the lack to the abundance. You got to go from not having it to having it. You got to go from the fear to the happiness. You got to go from a current state you are not having it to the state that you are having it. When you do that, automatically your vibration goes up, your feeling emotion goes up. You are in a state of already having it. As I said, your thoughts be that way. You got to think that way. Your word speaking should be that way. Your action should be that way. Your belief should be supporting it. If your belief doesn't support it, like for example, if you think I don't deserve it, I don't believe I can be rich, I don't believe that I can have the person. If you don't have the belief, the foundation of your state of being, if you don't have that, there's no way the house, the walls of the house, the roof is going to hold. No way your thoughts, words, and actions will reflect it if your belief doesn't support it. So work on the belief. I have other videos to show you how to improve your belief. But with the belief as a foundation, your thoughts, your words, actions will mirror, reflect who you want to be. Not what you are now, who you want to be or who you desire to be. And you got to be that today, not like you want to be tomorrow. That's not today. It's only here and now. Now, if you do that, then automatically your feeling emotions will rise. Your feeling and emotion will be positive. You will be higher frequency, higher vibration. That's what the universe, the reality, the creation reflects back to you. The world in front of you, what you see, is a mirror reflection of who you are. As we said, you don't get what you want, you get what you are. What you are is same as what you are in your state of being, which is same as what you are in terms of your thoughts, words, actions, belief, and feelings. That's your are, that's your state of being. So get the state of being right, match what you want to be. That's the first very important step in manifesting. Any which way you go, any other books you read, you come to the same topic. There are many techniques to do that. Techniques are more like the path. How do you do that? But what I gave you is the succinct, what you gonna do, the strategy and the goal of this. The techniques are, there is visualization, there's affirmation, there is imagination, there is SATS technique, there is scripting, writing. There are many other techniques, and I have almost 20 techniques for you. If I have a separate video on that one, I have a full masterclass. I also have an ebook, all talking about the various techniques. This video, I don't have time to go through the techniques to go from here to here. Some techniques are visualization technique, affirmation technique, imagination, SATS technique, and isn't it wonderful? Some gratitude techniques. There is some scripting technique, writing technique, vision board techniques. All these are various techniques to get you or go from here to here. All these are various paths considered to be a different way of driving there. You can drive here to here, many different paths, but all of them are various paths to it. But I told you where you are, where you need to be, and there are many ways to get there. It's a separate video if you want to know, hey, give me some techniques. I can just list you some here right now, which is the visualization, affirmation, there is scripting, there is SATS technique, there's many other techniques, vision boards, and again, videos I have that explain everyone more closely, especially my ebook, as I have a free ebook for you. Now, let's go to the second part of manifesting, which is what the first part I told you about is also a lot covered by Neville Goddard and Bashar as well. Bashar talks about be the person. Now, the second part is raising your frequency, go from low frequency to the high frequency. You are here many times not having it, lacking it. You need to go from here to all the way there. So previously we talked about horizontal, now we are talking vertical. From wherever you are in your emotional frequency vibration scale, you got to go all the way to the top. If you're negative, doubt, fear, you're in the lower part of it here. You're neutral here. You got to go to optimism, full, and finally you go to the top part of it where you need to be higher vibration, higher feeling. Now, how do you do that? Why should you do that? Naturally, if you go from here to here, you're going to be a happy person. You're going to be in a state automatically. Your vibration, your emotions, your feeling will go higher. Your frequency will go higher, and that's natural phenomenon, right? If you, for example, you want money and you feel like you already got the money, you'll be happy. You'll have a higher vibration. And if you're lower vibration, automatically that means you don't have what you want, and that means you are in lower vibration. You're in the lack mode. You're in the opposite direction. So going from lower vibration to the higher vibration is important. The way you go up the scale is staying positive, gratitude practices, appreciating what you already got, looking at things in a positive way, and not being fearful, imagining, visualizing what you want. There are many techniques to move you up the scale, to go from the low to high. As Abraham Hicks talks about this a lot, the vertical one is a very high specialty of Abraham, talks about how do you raise your frequency. Another reason there are two more reasons for that. One is raising frequency is allowing the universe to give it to you. If you are on a lower frequency, you shut off, the doors are closed, and you can't see what's happening, and you are not in a vibrational alignment to receive it. Moment you're in a higher vibration, you open the door, you're in a vibrational alignment, the universe can deliver to you and bring it to you. So it's almost like aligning and matching and opening the door for things to come, as opposed to closing the door, shutting off and not seeing it. That's one big reason. Second big reason as well is that when you're in a positive, higher vibration mode, you will see the universe or your higher self or the soul, spirit, whatever you want to call it, God, gives you directions, gives you path, lights the path. Hey, go this way, go that way. Like Google Maps, right? Turn left, turn right, go straight, same way. Hey, go here, call this guy. It's interesting. I'll give you some excitement, passion to do this task here. Apply the job here. Try it here. So you will get a lot of intuition, what we call inspired actions. Inspired action is you are inspired to do some action. You don't know where it came from, you don't know how it came from, but you are inspired to go and do this. Call this friend, apply a job here, talk to this person. And all these stuff are inspired action. That's what we mean by there are synchronicities. You will start seeing when you're an upbeat, positive, higher vibration, universe or your higher self, your soul, your spirit will guide you towards what we call synchronicities. You will see synchronously certain things happen. A bridge of incidences will happen. The connections will happen. The lights will light up on your runway, how to go about. All these are universe or reality guiding you from here to here, and you follow that path. And don't use the mind a lot, use intuition a lot to say, hey, let me try this. It's interesting. This guy called me. Oh, this thing showed up here. Let me try this thing. I'm excited to meet this person. Maybe I should apply for a job here. All these are various inspired action, or we call bridge of incidences, or we call clues, or we call synchronicities. All these are different words for the same thing. Reality, universe is giving you hints, giving you guidance like Google Map, turn left, turn right, go straight. You follow that. Another reason to be in high frequency. In summary, I'm saying you can manifest anything you want. The two core things is being where you are, go all the way to the right in terms of what you want to be, what the person you have to be. See that, feel it, and believe it, and be the person you want to be. The universe will reflect back. Be in a state of being that the universe will reflect back to you with a time lag. So whatever you want, be in the state. You want money, be in a state of having wealth and money. You want good health, feel that way in a healthy way. You want relationship, believe and have the relationship, but it's visually, mentally, in all aspects. That's one point. The second point is wherever you are, just don't be negative, don't be down, don't be in fear, worry mode. Be all the way to the high. You got to be super positive, happy, joyful state. Joy, happy, positive state. That's where you need to be. That pushes your frequency into a higher frequency, into a higher vibration. Then all doors open, synchronicities happen, path will appear to you, the doors open, you align, the universe can deliver to you because now you're aligned. One thing is this, universe cannot deliver what you're not in vibrational match of. Let me explain that to you. If you're not vibrational frequency match of that, you cannot even see it, feel it, or receive it, like a radio, right? Or a TV station. You want to watch a game, but you're on a different channel, you cannot watch the game, or a radio, very simple example. You got to tune your dial to the right frequency to get that. But if you're in a wrong frequency, wrong place, and say, hey, I'm not getting that, I'm not getting it, you're not going to get it because you're not in a vibrational match of. This is from Abraham Hicks, talks all the time. You have to align yourself, be in a vibrational match of what you want to be. Or other way around, conversely is, universe can only deliver you what your vibrational match of. You're not in a vibrational match of that, you're not going to get it. The door is closed, shut down. That's another reason why you move up the vibrational scale, open up, receive, be aligned and matching with the vibration of what you want. Follow these two, you can manifest anything you want. This is a succinct summary in just 15 minutes, but all of them will come to the same principle. I read lots of books, read a lot of videos, read a lot of various things. I'm summarizing to you in a very short 15 minutes here. Hope you enjoyed it. I have a full master class on this, an ebook as well. And join me, I will help you manifest anything you want. Could be money, could be health, could be a relationship, could be a job, career, whatever it is possible that you create your life. You are the creator of your own life. You can get anything you want. And there is a time lag and it's not instantaneous, but if you realize it, and there's a path for you to go from A to B, from here, not having to having it, from being sad or down to all the way happy and positive. It's all possible. I will help you with that. Join my class if you want. I have a free class. I'm not looking for money from you guys, and a free ebook. It'll be a joy for me when you manifest and tell me it's working. That'll be my ecstatic joy. Anyway, hope you liked it. If you do, I trust, please like, subscribe, and share. And you can sign up in spiritualuniversity.org. This channel is Manifesting the Best. I'm 𝐰𝐼𝐾𝐄. I'm part of the coach on this channel. And if you can sign up on that description, spiritualuniversity.org, go there, sign up. I will get you my class information. You can join there. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Happy manifesting. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.